Hello learners, earlier video we will learn how to use property and their value in a where clause to find a data but in this video we will learn how to check the label type, node label, and apart from that we will check property of particular label, and also we will learn how to retrieve a relation type between two nodes, and also we need to check how to we will retrieve the node which don't have a specific property exist. Okay, so let's get started. So here we will write this. First we need to write match clause, and our node without their specific type, and the relationship as well as a relationship with the particular node without their specific type. And in a where clause the condition is we need to check what is the type or label for this particular node. If is person, p is person, and p do m movie. Okay, and m dot released, we need to check the property in 2003. Then return m dot title, m dot as movie title. Okay, and m dot person, m dot name as were in movie. Okay, now run this. Let me check where is a problem in this. Okay, at the place of this single quotes we need to use backticks. Sorry. To formatting you need always use backticks, so it's fine. So there is a one problem like m person name. At the place of this we need to use person name. Now everything is fine, we will get our desired result. Now move to next query, where we retrieve the root movies are testing the relationship between two nodes. Okay, so for that we don't write specific relationship here. We will just define our labels for type for our node here, and we will check, and we don't need to check these things. We need to check only the label type dot label type relation is equal to root. Okay, and we should you want to specify more movies by testing the relation between two nodes. Okay, wrote, and we need to print the movie title and person names. Wrote at the place of this movie written by. Okay, now execute this. You will get the writer of the movies. Okay, and now move to our next query, where we return nodes in the graph that don't have a property. Okay, so people in the graph that don't have a property. Okay, so as usual, match, we need to find the person data only. So here we will take a person node with label, and in a where class we will check node exist. What is not exist? P dot born properties not exist. Return p dot name. Okay, let's run this. You are able to check this. These persons are returned which don't have a born property. Let's check how means this particular person don't have this born property or not, means we will get a valid result or not. So for that, you will check like where person name is equal to okay, and born, we need to print born. So born have null means these person don't have a born property exist. Okay, so thanks for your time. If you like videos and my channel, please share and subscribe. Thank you very much.